I just received vegetable chopper dicer. I'm very excited about it. I love to make different salads for myself, and so for me it is essential to have a chopper. That's how it looks inside. There are different parts in it. And for example, this is the chopper cover. Just smash it inside. It is very sharp, what I like about it. I think it's perfect for any vegetables. Blades are incredibly sharp and effortlessly slicing through vegetables. I do use it for different vegetables, for potato, tomato, cucumbers, different onions, and other things. And it always works perfectly. I do love it a lot. It saves a lot of time for me. Very easy to clean. They give you different brushes in the package so you can easily wash it and it's gonna be clean and nice.